Fred Gerard's going to need some fresh powder out in Pyeongchang, but Betsy, I think for the rest of us here in Northeast Ohio, we'd do with a weekend away from it.
Those of us who rip up the rails at Boston Mills and Brandywine over the years, well before Red hit the trails. Yeah, I mean, it's going to be cold. We're going to have snow and or freezing rain and or freezing, sleet and rain. It's a wintry mix that sets up across the area.
Lovely.
It is. And by the way, hi, Russ.
Hi, Betsy.
Let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on as far as the forecast goes. We got temperatures that are in the 30s across the area. Low 30s west, mid and upper 30s east. That's a key to the forecast. Temperatures will be everything, not just surface temperatures, but temperatures just above the surface too. Light snow being reported along the lakeshore, and then farther to the west, we will see this snow sliding across much of northern Ohio as we go through the evening. A frontal boundary is coming in, the front of the colder air, and it's going to sit over much of northern Ohio. And where that boundary sits, we'll have a freezing mix. North of the boundary, we get snow. South of the boundary, we get rain. On the boundary, we get a little bit of everything. Sleet, freezing, rain, snow, rain, the whole thing. So as far as the temperatures go, you can kind of see where the really cold air is to the north of us, the milder air is to the south, and we're going to sit right between this dark blue and the light blue color. And that just basically means we are going to be flirting with freezing. Check this out. There's that blue I was just showing you. This is where the freezing line is. And watch how it comes in and just sits over northern Ohio. It doesn't move all that much, maybe 40, 50 miles. This is 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. Now we go into Sunday. Still not moving. So as we have surges of energy coming in and moisture coming in, that will kind of kick in this freezing rain mix. It's not until late Sunday that the cold air really takes over and changes everything over to snow. So we have a whole lot of mixing that's going to be going on, and it's going to be staying with us. The big picture looks like this. Every time we get one of these swaths of moisture coming in, one will come through tonight with the front, another comes through tomorrow afternoon, and then we get a bit of a break for tomorrow night before yet another swath of moisture moves in by Sunday afternoon and evening. Then it's finally out of here, and we will be dealing with an easy peasy early work week. I'm trying to sum it up in a way everybody understands. We do have the scattered freezing rain, sleet, and rain and snow mix that sets up. Now, we may end up getting some winter weather advisories. The National Weather Service discussion earlier today was talking about that. That could come out tomorrow at some point, depending on how this whole thing sets up. But about noon or so, we'll really start to see the radar becoming more active, and you can see snow, mix, and then rain farther south. This line could waffle back and forth a little bit, but I think for the most part, especially by the end of the day on Saturday, we'll find that pushing south, and that'll take that freezing rain mix even south of Canton. We get a break tomorrow night, and then we have another batch that moves in for midday Sunday. We'll start off dry. The noon hours should be dry, and then into the afternoon, here comes that next batch of rain, freezing rain, and then ultimately changing over to snow by the time it's all said and done by Sunday evening. Universal Windows Direct 7-day forecast has the periodic wintry mix not only tomorrow, but Sunday as well. Then mostly sunny and beautiful on Monday, partly cloudy Tuesday, temperatures warming back up toward 50 by Thursday, and that's when our next rain chance comes in.